If the weather takes you by surprise, or you're falling behind in school, if you find yourself slipping through the cracks, or getting in over your head, and you don't know where to turn, before you drift away, tune in to life's funniest moments. We've got slipping dancers and frisbee prancers, table rammers, and body slammers. Little kids who take a fall, and acrobats who hit the wall. And lots more laughs on life's funniest moments. Smile when you scrape that windshield. It's winter fun. Little Zach waited 3 years to start skiing. And 3 seconds to stop. Chucky was whizzing down the mountain in the sleigh when it hit him. The sleigh, that is. Dad had to explain what a proper snowball was. Then he had to explain what below the belt was. This boy has the sun in his eyes, the wind in his hair, and the snow in his nose. It took Billy 4 falls to figure out how to step off the ice. I guess it isn't just ice cream that gives you a brain freeze. This could have been avoided, but as usual, Dad refused to stop and ask for directions. The following animals are funny all by themselves. Check out Blackie climbing up to that roof. You know what he's looking for? A way down. It's great how this dog can fetch the paper. But by the time he makes it back to the house, it'll be yesterday's news. Dog may be man's best friend, but dog's best friend? Gravity. The bigger they are, the harder we laugh. Yep, school's out for summer. How come kids don't move this fast the other way when school's back in the fall? It's stunning how this guy goes from plie to plie-ow. It seems this couple just couldn't wait to hit the dance floor. It's amazing how fast Marcia could go from a foxtrot to a catnap. If you look at the playback, Phil, I think while this fall was a blow to Nadia's performance, she really bounced back. Yeah, I have to agree, Chet. She's a fighter. When the bell breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come Timmy, cradle and all. This year, the wet look is in. It was last fall that Ed went motorboating, and he still misses the water, the breeze, and his boat. Sometimes having a friend to lean on for support can make all the difference. And sometimes it can't. Okay, the water ski didn't work out, but the good news is he wound up catching 3 mackerel in his swimming trunks. It's time to play Not a Winning Combination, babies and kayaks. And that was not a winning combination, babies and kayaks. Okay, now slide out gracefully. Beautiful. Perfect. Nice. All right, now you know what we need? Some drama like that other boat movie. And action. Perfect. We're not playing around. It's time for toys. Someone has to explain to Timmy Just because he's adorable and 2 feet tall doesn't mean he is a toy. These frisky ferrets are having fun hiding inside these jeans. As for the woman who is wearing them, she's still running. It might take all night to get that bottle in the bin. But Puff Puff is one dog committed to recycling. If Kippers hopes to make it through the cheerleading tryouts, she needs to stop eating her pom-poms and work on her routines. This kid isn't uncoordinated. He's just trying to meet that little insurance lizard. You'd never know to look at them, but toys have feelings just like everybody else. They feel pride, and yes, they even feel shame. This frisbee was so embarrassed by that throw that he vowed to never let that kid throw him again. Yeah, all he needed was more snide remarks from the beach ball. Several things happened after this company barbecue. But a promotion for Brad wasn't one of them. And now for some dirty jokes. The horse least likely to win the Triple Crown this year. They told Harold Loomis he was crazy to sink all of his money in the Rooster Day Spa and mud baths. But who's laughing now? Drop and give me 20. Laughs. It's time for exercise. In all fairness, her guidance counselor told her, don't let obstacles stand in your way. Would their mirror routine one day make their dreams come true and get them on television? Oh, wait a minute, it just did. the world's youngest aerobic trainer.
And 1, and 2, and... oh, what comes after 2?
Little Mikey only wanted 2 things for Christmas: a remote-control car and a puppy. Who knew it would end like this? Once again, it's time to play Not a Winning Combination, Old Guys and Boogie Boards. And that was Not a Winning Combination, Old Guys and Boogie Boards. He wanted to stay home dancing. She wanted to ride the bumper cars. They were both happy. The anniversary came and went with no gift, not even a card. Snakes in a bed at a theater near you. Her anniversary will not be ignored. It's raining lightly, so it must be coming down puppies and kittens. Her owner never should have given her cereal with a prize in it. 'Cause now she keeps searching for the prize. He does this every time his owner yells, "Heel." Yeah, it's cute to teach a puppy to nip at your ankles now. But in 6 months, this guy will be running down the street from a big dog. Think about this the next time you spend $7 on a chew toy. If any of the funniest moments in your life have been captured on videotape, or you're planning on capturing one of life's funniest moments on tape in the future, we'd love to share it with the world. Just send your tape to Life's Funniest Moments, P.O. Box 7898, Burbank, California, 91505 9998. Just make sure no animals were harmed in the making of your video, and be sure to include your phone number. And if we use your funniest moment on the air, we'll send you a Life's Funniest Moments t-shirt and $100. The kids fooling around in the classroom make a lot more sense when you realize that the woman sleeping is the teacher. See you next time.